Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Slana and welcome back to my channel. So the background and setting might look a little different. That's because I moved into my own place. So my roommate, aka my mom, aka Debo, can't Debo myself anymore. But yeah, I'm super excited. I love my place. So far so good. But yeah, like, let's dig into this video. You see the box, you already know we're about to do one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. It's some shoes from this company called OM New York. They popped up on my Instagram, so brother Instagram, what got me again? So yeah, let's dig into this box to see what I got. I kind of decided to do this because I personally was like trying to research and like figure out like what size I needed, like what the fit was like, just different stuff like that. So I want to help you guys out. So I'm gonna do a try on and a review and kind of like put it with my fit right now, because I think they will look really good with the fit right now. But yeah, this is a box. This is the box that it comes in. Super cool. This is their logo. It says OM or OM. Stands for Octavius Marks. I guess he's like the founder of the brand. But yeah, let's dig into this box. I'm super excited because I have literally been waiting for these 4 months. They dropped previously and I missed out on it, but I'm kind of glad that I did because they switched up the look of these. It made them more like, I guess, logo driven. My receipt. Yeah, so I usually wear, so in women's I am a 9.5. like I am a true 9.5. If I go down it's too small, if I go up it's too big, and plus I have a narrow foot, so it's really hard to like navigate through like fast fashion shoe brands, just because like my foot is so narrow, and like if I go too big it's gonna be too wide in my foot, and if I go too small my feet are gonna be hanging off the edge, or like my heels are gonna be hanging off the back. So yeah, I got these in a women's 9-10, which is a men's 7-8. They don't do half sizes. This is what the box that the shoes come in looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very cool. Let's see, what does it say? It says sesame bone, calicaneus, metatarsal and distal. I think it's naming the type of bones, which is crazy. I did not. I know this was like, these bones were probably like on a gym test and I definitely failed the test. I think doctors even have to like know this stuff, which is crazy. Oh, there's even something on the bottom. It says, everywhere is walking distance if you have time. Handcrafted for killers only. I love it. They actually have a hoodie I think I want, and it has the logo on it and it says killers only. And then here is their like tag, I guess, or whatever. Garment tag. Says Octavius Marks. Yeah. It says sign in below and tag us. I'm definitely gonna put my Instagram handle there at the sign line. I made it in there, by the way. I made it in the box. Call me Jordan, Michael Jordan. But yeah, I got the Fishbone clogs. Super excited. They're hella dope. Oh, nice. I get like a cute little keychain. I turn this into a necklace. It has their logo. That's cute. I love it. Made it again. But yeah, I'm so excited for these because like I said, I've been waiting for these babies for months. But yeah, it says 7'8", so they fit like men's shoes. And like in men's, I can do a 7, 7.5, and 8. So hopefully these work out. And I said they were a little bit different because the older clogs didn't have the logo OM on them, and now they do. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, and then the bottom says Octavius Marks, which is cool. So yeah, I feel like this time around, these are very like logo driven, logo centric, kind of trying to, I guess, get his name out there, which I think is super dope. If you know me, you know I love Halloween, I love skeletons, I love all of the things. I have skeleton gloves, so like when it gets really cold, I can't wait to wear my gloves with these. I'm gonna be a whole skeleton. I'm so excited. But yeah, they have flames. It's kind of like a rock and roll Birkenstock, which I'm obsessed with because I literally think that I'm a rock star. Rock star lifestyle might don't make it. But yeah, I think they would look dope with this fit because I have Outcast on and there's like flames in the background. This has flames, so it's like perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on, so I'll tell y'all how it fits and y'all can see how it looks with my fit. Alright, so this is how my fit is looking right now. I have on an Outcast shirt, the minimal LA pants, cargos. I actually did a video with these. I'll link it in my info bar above. And then I'm wearing my Reebok Instapump Fury like Trek sneakers. I think I did a video on this, but I haven't posted it. So if y'all want to see an unboxing video for these bad boys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave it in the comments below so I'll know. Okay, so let's try on these clogs, mules, slides, whatever you want to call them. I love a fuzzy sock, and y'all already know cheetah and leopard are my favorite prints. It's literally like the perfect fit. And my right foot is my favorite foot, so that was the true test. So they pass faux show. Yeah, these fit like perfect. Literally, like my heel just like rests right in them. Cause you know with like Birkenstocks, they kind of have like that curved up back. So my heel just like fits so nicely. You can see. Fits perfectly actually. But yeah, and this is how it looks. I love it, I'm obsessed. These are actually really comfortable. Like, I don't know if y'all ever tried Birkenstocks, but they're not the most comfy shoes in the world. I guess there's something that you have to break in, but these are actually like comfortable. Like these are legit. I'm obsessed. I love them. I'm so happy. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more unboxing videos. If you want to see more unboxing videos, leave it in the comments below. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'm obsessed with these, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm literally gonna wear these everywhere. Like, I have so many outfits planned in my head. You'll have to catch me on Instagram so y'all can see my fits that I wear with these shoes. I'm so excited. So yeah, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.